Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my update for the hashtag Partners in Cream 2021 that was set up by myself and DaLin from Outward Processing. She shall be linked up here and she will be linked down there. There is a big old playlist and that's down there to do. But it's refresh time this time. I don't think I'll invoke it at all, but let's just get on into it. Okay guys, sorry my hair is not dry from the shower and I didn't want to blow dry it. Like I blow dried the roots, but I didn't blow dry the rest. I thought it would be dry by now, but it has not air dried. So I don't know, you're seeing me in every possible scenario at this point. But I have 5 products in my rotation at any given time. I have 2 empties today, yay! And we're rolling in 2 at the end. And to see everybody else, you can click the hashtag or look at the playlist. I suggest looking at the playlist. Let's get on into the 2 empties. So the first product, and it's leaking, that I finished is this Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. It's really sticky. There's 5 mils in it. I should have a picture. I took a picture a few minutes ago of it, so I'll put that there. But it's gone. I was panning 2 glosses at a time and now I'm panning a gloss again in a different project. I don't want to be panning 2 glosses at a time while I'm at home because I'm not getting enough use out of it. I want to focus on one. So this one is empty and I'm really glad because I only got this just before Christmas last year. So this is kind of new to me and I got it in the Ciate advent calendar, the nail one. So I'm really happy with that. Love a lip oil. It just seeps out through the lid and I don't like the scent of artificial watermelon. I like real watermelon. So this is empty and I'm really happy about that. And then this is empty. You can't see in it. I have put water in it twice now. So this is finished. There's 100 mils in it. It's from Aldi and it's the Lacura Healthy Glow Overnight Relaxing Facial Spritz with jasmine, lavender and chamomile. I like the mist on this. It's empty, fully empty. And then I opened it because it's really easy to do so. And I put water in here, just water, just to freshen up while I'm studying. Look at that, perfect. Still a little bit of a smell of lavender. But yeah, I've been doing that. So that is those are the products that I finished. I really like this. I think it was like €1 or €2. I haven't seen it again, so it's not in my Aldi anyway. So that's that product empty. That's 2. Then for progress, this lip liner, it was in my 20 favorites in 2020 and it's in this project now. It's the MAC Whirl lip liner. It is a warm brown. I personally prefer sharpenable lip pencils that are kind of dry because if they're creamy, they tend to move around on me. And I am a person who always wears lip liner because I don't have an even lip line on the top lip. So I don't want to, I'm after having a shower, so I don't want to ruin my skin with swatches. But can you see that from there? Steph, zoom in if you can, there. It is a warm brown lip liner and I quite enjoy it. My favorite lip liner is from Rimmel, but I like NYX as well. We wiped it off. So that's that. I should have a close up there of this. So let's see. Did I go down the same amount? I went down a little bit less, which makes no sense. I was way more diligent this time. Look, I don't know, but it's only kind of small now. I'm not in too much of a rush. I do enjoy using it, so there's that. That's my progress. Then we had this guy. This is the Huda Beauty 3D. Why do I look at this palette to invoke the name of it? I've been using this for the last year and 8 months. This is my Huda Beauty Highlighting Quad Palette and the shade I'm working on is the cream one in Capri and I'll show, oh my god, I forgot to get my uses. I'll show you where I was the last time and I will show you where I am now. So I didn't use it that many times, did I? Oh my god. So I've used it in this project now 74 times. I've used it 150 times I think in total since marking it. So I used it 13 times this update. I didn't wear makeup that much. It is study season, but it's just such a it's just such a nice shade. It's like a champagne shade. It looks darker on my hand than it does on my face. I find it that it blends really easily, but I use it with just like I'll show you what I use it with. I use it with this sponge here that I got in Pennies. You know these ones? How do you clean these? Because I want to find a way of cleaning it properly because they never look clean when I'm finished with it. So if you have a tip of cleaning those sponges in a good solid clean, let me know. But yeah, I've used it another 13 times. I haven't looked at the before and after pictures to see is there any visible difference, but I really am not rushing with this. Like if I wanted to, I could use more of it than I am using, but I like it. So there's no need, and it's not gone off. It's my oldest cream highlight. I don't have many cream highlights in my collection. I think I have, I'm going to say the most I have is 5. I'll put the number here. And this is the oldest one and it's on the way, so we're not in a rush. I do like this formula and it doesn't lift anything on top. I pair it on its own and I also pair it on underneath things. And then the last product I rolled in, I believe it was the last time, is this Huda, what? It is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, the original one. I finished one of these before. I got this one from DaLin and it went from 18.61 grams down to 16.76. So I used 1.85 grams of it this month and it just doesn't look any different. It doesn't look any different. We're on the start of a long, long road with this. Like in terms of refresh, I could have rolled this out, but then I'm like, why though? I need to use a primer anyway. So if it takes me 13 months, you'll be seeing this for 13 months. It isn't usually the consistency that I prefer, but it works. There it is there. I know you're probably already aware of it, but it works. It feels nice. I only ever set from the crease up and it does help the longevity of my makeup. Absolutely. I have a very oily lid and things always come off and this absolutely does work. It's just not my favorite formula. I would like to try the Milani one when I finish this one, but I'm really glad to have it. There's 10 mils in it in total. So if I was to, I know mils and grams are like, they're not like for like, but let's just pretend they are since we don't have a way to weigh it any other way. That would mean that at the very most, if that was the case, it should take me 10 months. That's a lot of bolognese sauce because I used 1.85, so that would be closer to 2 and then it would be 5 months. Nope. Okay, so that's gonna take ages, so that was a useless theory. Then for rolling in products, so in place of my empty spray, I'm going to fill this with water and I'm going to leave this on my desk to spray my brush because it's just water, so it'll do the job. Also, like really, I don't know how good that is going to help that plant that needs to just have actual water poured into it. But I'm going to spray my brushes with this so that I'm not wasting any product with the water one. And then, oh yeah, I'm so excited. I get weirdly excited for these things. Ruth sent me this. Thank you so much, Ruth. Ruth is in Ireland and she's a YouTuber. I'm sure you already know who she is, but if not, I'll link her down below. She's a great YouTube channel. She's so funny. But we have this thing where we send each other stuff because we don't, you know, we're sending each other stuff and we're going over and back. So I think I'm going to reuse the box that she sent me to send the other stuff back to her. But she sent me one of these because I don't think she likes it, or else it's the spray that she doesn't like. Can't remember what she said, but I really like it. Nice smell of lavender, and I'm so happy about this because I can't get it and it's exam season, so my anxiety is like woo, way through the roof. So everything and anything with lavender is always even heavier at that time. So this is now going into my work desk / study where I'll be sitting for like 14 hours a day. Oh, I hate it. So is that everything? No. Now this one might be boring for you and I'm sorry if it is, but I'm rolling in this lip balm because I don't know, either my lips have changed or I have changed, but I got this in Lidl and I got 3 in a set, 3. And oh, I used to like this, but it's shockingly bad. And this is all I have left in this and I'm not digging it out of the tube. And then I want to roll in, when this is finished, I want to go on to the other 2. So I'm going to roll in this and then I'll if I finish this before the end of the month, I'll roll on the other and I'll keep updating you on the 3. But I'm not going to use this one up like 2 full ones. I'll roll on to the next full one, you know. But it just doesn't, it's nice. I used to wear, was it a Nivea one or whatever when I was in secondary school, which is what high school and middle school in Ireland is just all the one. And it because I wasn't allowed to wear like makeup, so it had like a little pink, it's in Shiny Pearl, a little pink sheen, but it does not hydrate. It does not hydrate your lips at all. And I didn't notice that until I tried Elaine sent me a sample of the Laneige lip mask, and then Courtney sent me this for my birthday, part of it. It's the Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy. And I want this. My phone is ringing, sorry. Sorry about that, guys. I had a phone call with Pork and then a phone call with my mum. So mum is well, if anyone was wondering. Not that they were. Okay, so did I show you the lip? That everything? So here is where I am on this lip balm here, and then this one isn't even used yet. It's full. So that'll be next. I just want to roll them out and not have them again. Just don't want to have them again because they're not moisturizing enough. I didn't, like, I was blissfully unaware until I tried something else. But I really like this sugar one, this Advanced Therapy lip treatment. It's really, really good. So I want to just phase these out. Anyway, that is my update, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to watch everyone else's. It is exam season for me until mid-October, so I'll do my best to get everything into the playlist and do what I can. But thanks so much, guys. See you the next time. Take care. Bye. Bye.